How to fix if the USB connection selection mode is not displayed in your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if the USB connection selection modes like file transfer, charging only, etc. does not pop up in your Realme device when connected to a PC via your USB. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you can do is simply unlock your phone. The USB options only appear after unlocking your Realme phone. So once you connect to USB cable, then you can unlock your screen to see the options. If you cannot find that option, then check on your notification panel. Swipe down from the top of your home screen in order to access your notifications. And on this notification section, you have to look for the message like charging via USB or USB for file transfer. After that, tap on it. Then you have to choose your desired option from the options such as file transfer or Android Auto, USB tethering, MIDI, PTP transfer photos, or charging only. So according to your need, you can choose one from there. But if you cannot find it there, then you have to manually set USB mode from the developer option. For that, open up settings in your device and make sure that you have enabled the developer option in your mobile device. You can go to your settings and in the search bar, developer option. And head towards your developer options. Under developer options, scroll down to default USB configuration. And then tap on default USB configuration. Now you can select file transfer or your preferred mode from here. And that's how you can fix if you're not able to find the USB connection selection mode displayed in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.